On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves. Turtle doves are small, dainty pigeons, once abundant through Eurasia, but disappearing fast because of hunting and habitat loss. Only a Christmas miracle and some strict rules on shooting and land management can save the pretty birds. But they are just one of 352 kinds of pigeon and dove found around the world. And all like to be in pairs and make dedicated partners and parents. What a romantic gift. Like, share, subscribe, and join Wild for the World to share the love of nature.